So for this next problem, I'm going to do the one on the bottom right of the notes. I'm going to subtract the x to the other side, get 3y is less than or equal to negative 6 minus x, and then divide everything by 3. When I do this, just be careful. I get y is less than or equal to negative 2, and then minus 1/3 x. There's an invisible 1 in front of that x, and so make sure I write it as 1/3 x. When I do my xy table then, I go from, negative 6, negative 3, 0, 3, and 6. So there's my table, and then from there I can go ahead and graph it. So I get negative 6, 0, negative 3, negative 1, and I can kind of repeat my pattern. I'm going down 1 and right 3. That's going to be a solid line. So then again, to figure out which side I'm shading, plug in 0, 0, and I get 0 and negative 6. That's false. So since it's false, I want to shade away from, my arrow's going away from 0, 0. So I'm actually going to go below this blue line. Do the same thing with the next problem. Subtract the 4x to the other side. Get negative 2y is less than or equal to negative 8 minus 4x. And divide everything by negative 2. Get y is greater than or equal to, remember to flip my signs, positive 4 plus 2x. So when I do my xy table, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. Let's see, we've got a 4 here, 2, 0, 6, 8. Negative 2, 0. There we go. There's my line. Just like that. And again, when I plug this one in, plug in a 0 for my x and my y, I get 0 and negative 8. Is the alligator eating the bigger number? No. So since it's false, again, I'm going to go away from 0, 0. So I've got arrows going away from 0, 0, which is kind of to the left. And so where the overlap is happening is to the left of the red line, below the blue line. And so again, I know that it's going to be in this small region of the graph.